Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about linear approximation. So now I will show you the technique. We need to change f of s into 7 minus s to the power of negative 1 over 2. If we do first the derivative, you will got about 1 over 2 7 minus s to the power of negative 1 over 2 minus 1. So you got about negative number 3 over 2. Because we have negative 1 over 2 and we have negative in here, that's why you got about positive. Now the formula of linear approximation. That should be about first the derivative of the function multiplied with s minus s naught plus y naught. So we know that s equals to number 0 in here. So in this situation, we put number 0 go in here and number 0 go in here. About y naught, that's about this one, we put number 0 go in here and you got about 1 over the square root of number 7. And this one you got about 1 over 7 multiplied with the square root of number 7. And this is about s. So we put number 2 next to in here and you got about 14. That's the end. Thank you for watching.